Well, another song found on Hoku's album, which speaks about the goddess Lai Kawai. This one is by request by Alana Chow. Is she here?
No, she's in Ever Beach.
Oh, she's in Ever Beach.
Oh, she's in Ever Beach, yeah. This goes out to you, Alana.
Ahiala ye itavai eu Ikau kavalela o paliuli o kanan eluetai o paliuli Ahiala ye ikavai eu Ikau kavalela o paliuli o kanan eluetai o paliuli Kau mai la ke ali eu Tika e o naman o kanan eluetai o paliuli Alohe pa isa hone mai eu Ita pulaui o ali o kanan eluetai o paliuli Haina ia mai tapuana ke o O ia la le ua o paliuli utanani eluetai o paliuli Haina ia mai kapuana e o ia la le ua o paliuli o kanani eluetai o paliuli